Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Braindead, and I train every day. One new try hack me room, one new skill, always ethical, and by 30, I'll be a professional hacker. I'm just gonna jump right in. I think today I'm gonna be looking for. I'm trying to look for a vulnerability. Maybe let's learn a new vulnerability today, and let's add that to my arsenal. And yeah, so let's see what try hack me's got in store. Alright, should went to practice. Let's go there. And I'm just gonna type in vulnerability, see what we got. They got the vulnerability capstone. And that looks like it's a nice and quick room. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, the vulnerability capstone, because that seems nice and quick. It seems like I've clearly done. I don't know why I didn't just finish the room. But, yeah. We're gonna let this room load. It said it takes about 5 minutes. So, we'll come back when I am all set. All right, we are back. It's been a few minutes. Let's take a look at what we gotta do. So, deploy the vulnerable machine. All right, so let's do an nmap scan on it. See what's available. I'm guessing this is a web port. Um, I should just call it the nmap scan. Oh, I already did. 10, 201, 110, 182. I don't think this is gonna be a very obscure port. It seems like this might be very straightforward. Alright, so as expected, we are open on port 80. Alright, so let's copy this. Let's go to. It'll just automatically take me to port 80. Maybe I was a liar. Oh, you know what? I just need to turn on. I should really fix this. I'm not going to today, though. As always. I say the same thing every single time I see it. It takes me like 30 seconds to pop open Burp Suite. Maybe sometimes I gotta um, intercept the request. Alright, cool. So that's open, so let's go to the website. Alright, we got Fuel CMS version 1.4. Change the Apache. It's literally telling me what the start is. It's even giving me the admin credentials. I wonder if they changed it. Okay. Obviously, a vulnerability here. I'm gonna complete this. How loud is this gonna be? That wasn't too bad. Okay, so we got Fuel CMS, obviously version 1.4, and we got admin credentials. So it looks like we are trying to trigger an RCE. We even found the CVE. I'm just gonna search for it just to see what we can find. Fuel CMS 1.4. And right at the top is remote code execution, right? So let's grab that. And I need to type it properly. We are going for the Linux. I think I could probably just do 47138.py. I'm gonna try that. Let me cat that before I. Perfect. And it's for Fuel CMS. Now the fun part about these scripts is it gonna run? I figure it wasn't. They need to be adjusted. Let me just take a look at the other ones, just see if I can download one. Oh no 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 no. Oh, I didn't even get a chance. It just said, yeah, you know what? We're gonna do it. I just did it again. That's what I'm looking for. And they got RB. I don't know if that's Ruby. I've never actually executed a Ruby script before. They got a Python one though, so I'm gonna download that. Five oh four seven seven, and let's run that. Is it gonna run? Oh, cool. Dash u HTTP 10 dot 201.110.82. Let's see. It's gonna ask me for who am I? Cool. So that was a fun room. Obviously we just gotta locate the home.ubuntu. ls home ubuntu. Um, it's just telling me system. Who am I? Let me boop. ls home system. There. CD. The flag is located. What is the value? Can I do a cat? Is that home Ubuntu flag? Maybe I should read this code. You know, you never really should execute random code. But a guy like me, I love executing random code. So is it just we're just going to this webpage? Is that all we're doing? So CMD equals enter command. Is this really all we're doing? Oh, nice. Copy. Paste. CMD. Who am I? Print system filter. I don't know if this one's working. Maybe it needs a bit of tweaking. I just don't. This is probably why I never could find the value, because I couldn't find a script that was working. Let's get this other one. 49487.rb is a Ruby script. Now, if this doesn't work, I couldn't even tell you how to fix it. So let's find out how to execute Ruby real quick. Oh, I literally just typed Ruby. That's pretty nice. I think that was a 4? Don't even remember which script I just downloaded. 494. Cannot load such file. Okay, so pain in my ass so far. Fuel CMS 1.4 RC. Obviously it's this. Exploit. Oh, wait. This guy has a GitHub. Go back. Go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what is happening? Bruh. Okay. I think I just gotta read. Oh, here it is. Fuel CMS. This guy is that. Okay. Oh, and this is the. Is this his? I just cat. Ruby. Let me just download this exploit. And that was called exploit. We're gonna put that here. Ruby exploit. It's giving me the same error. Now, I don't know if this is my fault. I don't know what this means. Let me just see if ChatGPT could just tell me a quick resolution to this. Maybe it's just I need to update my Ruby program. This is the first time I've ever executed Ruby, so that would make sense if that was what the issue is. It's telling me it just can't find this thing. Is that all I needed? Woo! Okay, that is all I needed. Thank goodness for AI. Makes my life way easier. I don't gotta understand what in the world that code was. Who am I? LS. What is it? I don't understand what's happening. Let me try that other one that I had. 49487? Oh, I feel like this might be the same. I keep typing the wrong IP address. 82. Who am I? Must have HTTP. LS. Home. Oh my god. I can't use those. How am I supposed to execute the command if I can't put spaces? Captures. I don't even know what captures means. Let me take a look at this guy's. I'm sure he has how to use it. Ah, huh. That's funny. ls-lha. Let me try that. Exploit. And he does ls.lha. Just like that. This target's definitely vulnerable. Maybe I am using the wrong path, though. Whoops. Maybe I just do fuel. Maybe that's what it is. Let me try fuel. Unless I just download the wrong. There's a chance maybe I just download the wrong. Like, what the hell is this error? I don't think it's even fuel. Jeez, it's me trying to figure out how to get old script to work. That's today's episode. There's a better rewrite. Which one is this? 47138. Well, that's the one I'm using, isn't it? Or is this Pi? Is this Python? What if this is Python? That looks like the one I was using. Which I think is the one I had working in the first place. You know what, let me just nano this. 47138. Let me see if I can read it while I have AI trying to. So it's importing request and URL lib. Localhost. Okay, so running this port on my computer. Define, find, nth overlapping. So that's the function haystack needle n. Start variable equals haystack dot find needle haystack needle. So these two variables that you're putting in, while start 0 and n is less than 1. Okay. Start equals haystack dot find needle. Start that one. So this is a loop. Where does it use this though? Oh, find and over r dot text dot proxy URL. So if chat gave me this nonsense, so I'm gonna try this. Am I supposed to modify the script? And we're gonna call this whatever the IP address is. 10.211.10.182. Okay. Optional proxy, select none. That's pretty nice that this really explained it. So it did work. I just got a lot of nonsense though in it. And I'm www data. ls home ubuntu. At least I think it worked. Flag.txt. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this worked. I came with a lot of nonsense with it, but hey. Fun, fun, fun. I don't know how I could have avoided getting these. If anyone knows how to code, maybe you could tell me how I could have better did that. But that was oh jeez, can that be any louder? Oh my god. This blows my speaker up. So that was fun. I can't believe that worked, to be honest with you. Nice easy room. I'm gonna actually look at the code uh, that was generated by chat and see if maybe I could kind of piece it together. I used to be really good at programming and developing code, but nowadays I use it so rarely. I can't. It's hard for me to decipher it. So I think just continuously looking at the code, I'll eventually be able to read it. So let's see what we got. So we got 4 imports: request, URL, lib, sys, and traceback. Obviously that's my URL. Proxy, I guess if we wanted a proxy, we could have did this. Returns the index of the nth occurrence of needle in haystack. Allows overlapping occurrences. Advances search by 1 each time. Returns -1 if not found. Okay. As long as n is less than 0. That is less than, right? Yeah, less than 0. Return -1. Start equals haystack.find. While start is greater than 0 and n is greater than 1, start stack. Oh, that find allow overlapping and define payload here. CMD string. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this, but I guess it's. Is that like a return or something? I don't know what this is. Build the exploit path. Maybe I should look that up. Build the exploit path exactly as in the original proof of concept. Excellent. The original used URL lib.quote, which is Python 2. So they upgraded this to the Python 3 version. Encoded CMD and safe prefix. That's cool. Okay. So define main. So this is the real function right here. Simple exploit helper. Type X record to stop. While true, try input CMD. Except if something fucks up in the CMD, don't type it right. If not, CMD continue. Okay. If CMD dot lower in exit quit, print exiting. Cool. Path equals build payload CMD. Build payload. Build payload. Ah, okay. Puts these into here. URL that you r.strip. I don't know what rstrip does. I'm just gonna look it up real quick. Removes trailing characters. Okay. Send request. Request get the URL. Is that this URL? No. Wherever URL is set. Proxies timeout. Okay. So really, this is the whole entire payload. We got this. We got this. I wonder what this translates to. Whoops, I didn't mean to do whatever I just did. Okay. What does this translate to? I don't know if that's hex? I don't know if that's hex, though. I can't remember exactly what it is. Maybe it's hex. I'm guessing it's a bunch of just random keys? I don't know why it's in. It goes to a short PHP snippet. So it just translates to print system. And then, hmm, what does this stand for? Alright, I think we're gonna end the video here. We learned a lot, and we saw, I mean, I don't know what um current modern day server is running Fuelstone 1.4 or Fuel CMS 1.4. However, it's an example, and we did try to patch up this old proof of concept. So I think it was valuable in that we got to do a little low level fixing up for this script. So maybe we'll find a little harder one tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna cut the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.